Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Don't forget there is a giveaway going on that is linked down below, and there are other things, other information down there if you're interested. Today we have Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription box or a clothing styling service. You go on, you fill out a profile, you get hooked up with a stylist. There is a styling fee of $20 per box or $20 per style, but it does get applied to your purchase. They also have a style pass that is $49 for an entire year. I don't know how they go about picking people for the style pass, but if you get the chance, I would reach out to customer service and ask them for it. It's $49 for the entire year, and you get to apply that $49 toward any fix throughout the entire year. You speak to your stylist whenever you want to fix, and she'll send you 5 things. She'll style you with 5 things. You can leave notes or whatever. There will be a playlist down below if you are interested. I'm sure one of those has details. I'm almost positive at least 1 or 2 of them have like all the details. So you open up your box and you'll have your burrito. They send you 5 things. It can range anywhere from shoes to jewelry to scarves, whatever your profile really says. You get a return shipping bag, so whatever you don't keep, you just put it in the bag, toss it back in the mail. And then you also get a little note. This is a style card. It shows you different ways that you could style the outfits that are in here. It also comes with a note. I'll paste that up in the corner so you guys can read it if you want to. And then you also get your invoice. I'll paste this up in the corner. It tells you everything. It tells you how much everything costs. If you keep all 5 items, you do get a 25% discount. It looks like this entire box, if I kept everything after the discount, would be $342. But I happened to peek and I'm not sure about the things I saw. So let's get into this box. So first we have the Pixley Kendari faux suede jacket in a black and a medium for $88. We also have by Gal Meets Glam collection, the Allura textured dress in a black and a 6 petite for $148. Now my stylist said that she sent me this jacket in place of the other one that was sent on the last fix because she read that I did like to size up. I do like the jacket. I think it's super cute. It does have zips that are real pockets. So this jacket will definitely go in the maybe pile. And then this dress. This dress is really super cute. I do like the detailing of the dress, the detailing of the sleeves. The only thing is that it is a bit too tight across my bust. I'm assuming she sized up to a 6 petite because she knew that there was no stretch in the material. Unfortunately, it's just still a little too small. So the dress is a no. Next we have in Wisp the Leah lace knit dress in a navy in a 4 petite for $68. I do think this dress is pretty. I do like the knit detail on it. I don't know, it will go in the maybe pile. I feel like it's maybe just a little too conservative for me with as high as the neck is. I don't know, this is a dress I'll have to think about. It's gonna go in the maybe pile. So next we have by Wisp the Teresa Pont dress in burgundy in a 4 petite for $74. This dress is okay. I really don't like dresses that zip at the side like this and then have a clasp under the arm, just because it makes this one armhole super tight. The other one fits just fine, but this one is a little too tight. And as you can see, I couldn't get it zipped all the way. I do like the colors of this dress. I do kind of like the shape of the dress, but I'm not a huge fan of the paisley design or the filigree design, whatever you would like to call that today. This dress is going to have to be a no for me. I don't like how it is up around the neck, not really. I do like the way the sleeves are cut out, and if this would have been a back zip dress, I probably would have liked it a little bit better, but this dress is going to be a no. Next we have by 41 Hawthorne, the Persia reversible knit dress in green, and a small petite for $78. I am just not digging on this pattern. I do like how it's a lower V-neck. I don't know, this pattern makes me feel like my grandma in the 80s. I don't know, like I was a hot grandma in the 80s, and I'm not trying to do that. Like that's not my aesthetic, so we're not doing that. It does say it's reversible, so I am going to try it on the other way just to show you what that looks like, but for this pattern, I do love the green, but for this pattern, I don't know, I'm just not digging it, this pattern. This is what the dress looks like reversed. I'm actually a little more okay with the blue and then just the design around the bottom trim. I don't know how I'm feeling. I do feel like this dress ages me. I don't know, you guys. It will go in the maybe pile for this reversible pattern, but I don't know if I'm feeling it or not. We'll see. Okay, you guys, so that was Stitch Fix. Fix number 46. I never even really paid attention to that, but I don't know. There are a few things in the maybe pile. I'm considering this dress on the reverse side. I'm considering the navy dress, and I'm considering the black jacket. I know that there is a certain grace period when you get a new stylist for you guys to kind of click and for her to learn my style. So I think that's just kind of where I am. I really do miss my old stylist. She was pretty on point with everything that she sent me. I know it takes a little bit of time for my new stylist to connect with me, but I feel like, and I hate to say this, but I feel like she is styling me for my age. And while I'm in my mid-40s, I am not a buttoned-up conservative person, and I feel like maybe she's trying to dress me a little more conservative that I like. I do feel like the clothing in this box, most particularly, has aged me or makes me feel older, and that's just not really my aesthetic. So I don't know. I am considering the 3 pieces. If I don't keep anything, there'll be a scroll down at the bottom that says I didn't keep anything. If I did, you'll see pictures up. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Stitch Fix is one of my favorite clothing boxes, but my new stylist, we just aren't clicking as fast as I would like us to. So that being said, I hope you guys have a great day.